In a coastal town, a woman named Ayo discovers she can hear music when people sneeze, translating sneezes into melodic patterns. She notices sneezes align with scales and rhythms, sparked at a crowded market day when a chorus formed a tune. This uncanny skill reshapes her life as she hosts sneeze concerts, teaching others to hear hidden melodies in ordinary sounds. Friends and strangers react with surprise, filming responses and posting online, while some worry about public nosiness. Yet Ayo stays curious, using the talent to fund community music programs and remind everyone that ordinary life hides extraordinary harmonies.